Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are with Bulunmaz decoration machine and I will introduce you today how to work on flat pieces. Our Bulunmaz decoration machine is totally mechanical. That means low cost and really easy to use. You can decorate rings, bangles, beads and balls and now flat pieces with our decoration machine. First of all, you have to use our flat attachment and let's see how fast and how practical you can set the attachment. I'm gonna show you the entire process a real-time video so you can have a rough idea how fast it is to fit your flat attachment. It's important to know how fast you can change the attachments because when you buy our Bulunmaz decoration machine, you will probably need several attachments that you can change the holder and you can use, you can work on different jewelry items. Our flat attachment is ready. As you just saw, we just changed the position of the holder and the horizontal propeller is ready to work on flat pieces. Here we are changing the thickness of this teeth so you can decorate more cuts. You're gonna understand better when we are in the operation. All these settings we gonna teach you when you have our machine. Our technicians will be visiting your place, or you can visit our showrooms, or you can connect us with video call and we will be introducing to you all the details how to set the attachments and how to run on different pieces. The way we are using for the pendant pieces, as you can see, I have flat pendant pieces. You can make earrings, pendants, whatever. They are all flat pieces. So the way we are using, we'll be sticking them on the platform. Depending on the piece you are using, you must choose the size of your platform and the size of the stick you're gonna use. Here, we will work on a medium size piece. So our two-side tape is ready, stick on the platform. Next step, we are taking out the upper part so we can put our material, put our jewelry piece, stick on the platform. Don't forget, after running several pieces of pendants, flat pieces, you have to change the stick, but don't worry, that's a really low cost stick where you can find anywhere in the world. Our two-direction tape is ready to put the pieces on it. Now you can. I have many pieces cut in the laser machine for me. I just outsource them to my friend. So you can choose. These are already made pieces. Two-side type is ready. So you need to just basically stick it on it and the platform will be holding your jewelry piece strong enough to be able to work on it. Everything is done, set properly, so we are ready to start the operation. All we need to do is to choose the right tool. You can always have a look at our website www.bulunmaz.com. You can see we have more than 300-400 different type of puzzle tools, which will give, each of them will give different effects. So you can have a look at our website, you can download our PDF catalogs, and now you can also buy online from our website different tools. So each tool is giving different design. We are choosing our tool. In this model, we are using 3mm 150-degree tool, but don't forget, each tool will give different design. When you complete the operation, it's really to take out your jewelry pieces. You just need to push it carefully a little bit, just not to damage the form of your piece, and it just comes out. As I told you before, you need to change the sticker after use of several times your pieces. We used in this model 3mm 150-degree tool, so it made like a shiny cut, but you can also use 3mm 140, 120, depending on your thickness of your jewelry pieces.
That's a thin piece, that's why 150 was a good choice. And of course, every tool gives you a different design.
There are endless variations with Bulunmaz decoration machine. Why? Because you can combine different tools, you can combine different cuts, different degree of the holder, and you can make unlimited designs on your jewelry. If you like Bulunmaz decoration machine and interested in purchasing our machine, you can contact us today. We have professional salesman for you, and we have professional technical team to support you before and after your purchase. If you want to see more options of our machines, don't forget to subscribe Bulunmaz YouTube channel because we are posting every week more than one video. We would like to show you more different models with different tools so you can get a rough idea of different decoration. Thank you very much for your time for watching our videos. So the show continues.